watching this video, you probably have already watched my blink circuit video on how to create the blink circuit and a small explanation of how the code works. But if you want to know in depth on how to create your own programs, you must start somewhere, and for that, learning how the blink code works and how to write it is probably a good step. So that's why I created this video. Enjoy! So now you can go and open up the Arduino IDE to start coding. First of all, you're going to need to begin to define your pin by writing INT, which stands for integer. And that way you can define the pin that will be connected to your Arduino, or the LED as well, on both sides. I will be calling it LED as a name, but you can call it anything you want, but you will use this to refer to it later in the code. Then you just do equals, and then 13, because we're using pin 13, although it can be if you're connected to a different pin, which is actually entirely possible, do the number of that pin written on the Arduino board. Now, integer can be used in complicated sketches with many things connected to your Arduino. You're going to want to use multiple of these. Now that you've defined the pin that will plug into your LED, you must now define it as an output. And you might be, well, why would I define it as an output? Because you can also define it as an input. And as an input, it might be a button, it could be a sensor, but as an output, it's in case powering an external device such as an LED. So to define it as an output, go pin, capital M mode, then 2 brackets. Inside the brackets, first write the name of the LED that you named, of pin 13, back here, comma, and then all capital output. And just add that to finish the line of code, and that's all you're set up. Now to move on to void loop. To turn a pin 13 on and off, the function is called digital write, which is spelled like this. One way to check if you're spelling all your functions correctly is that they will turn orange once you put brackets in front of them. Once you've written digital write, put the name of the LED you defined as an output and defined as pin 13, comma, and then high. High is on and will turn your LED on when it receives this command. Then lastly finish it with this, and now you can move on. To blink it, we'll need the delay in which it blinks, which is delay, the function, brackets, and put 1000. When you write the delay code, it's written in milliseconds, so 1000 is 1 second. Finish it off like that. Now, to make it a bit quicker, you can actually copy-paste that line of code you've already done. Just replace high with low. That will turn it off, and bam, there you go. You have created the blink code. And now to check that your code is all correct, click on the verify button, which will compile your sketch to see if it is correct, if there are any mistakes. If there are any mistakes, it will highlight where that mistake is and refer back to the video to find where your mistake was. Congratulations, you can now upload it and you've written your own blink code. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, as it means a lot to a small channel like me, ran by a geeky 12-year-old creating Arduino tutorials from a boat. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.